That sound is the sound of the past. The smell of gas, the yanking of cords, the trips to the gas station, it's all over. In 2025, electric mowers aren't just a quiet alternative, they're superior in every way. But be careful, because one wrong choice could leave you stranded with a dead battery and a half-cut lawn. After testing the top models, I've found the 5 that deliver shocking power and runtime. The number 1 pick can silently mow an entire football field on a single charge. Number 1. Wild Badger Power. The Wild Badger Power 40-volt 18-inch push lawn mower is equipped with a high-efficiency brushless motor to get the job done. It's powered by one 40-volt 4.0Ah battery to give you plenty of run time. Its dual-mode function allows you to bag or mulch your grass clippings. It features a turbo mode function that automatically turns on in thick grass to cut through various types of grass. The one-handle height adjustment makes it easy to move from one cutting level to another on all 4 wheels. It has 5 cutting levels, 1.5 to 3.5 inches, to make sure your grass is perfectly trimmed in every season. The 18-inch mower conveniently folds for easy storage, and the battery is compatible with all other Wild Badger Power 40V tools, allowing year-round use. Number 2. Worx Nitro 80V Cordless Lawn. The Worx 80V self-propelled lawn mower boasts cutting power that rivals gas mowers without the emissions, loud noise, or costly maintenance of fuel. This electric lawn mower cordless product is backed by a brushless motor 2.0, which runs 10% longer and delivers 40% more power than standard brushless motors. This walk-behind self-propelled lawn mower runs on PowerShare Pro batteries, compatible with 140 plus Worx cordless tools, outdoor power and lifestyle products on the PowerShare platform. Simplified battery management with Basecamp, an innovative compartment that holds all 4 batteries and connects to the lawn mower. Use it as 4-port charger to easily recharge all 4 batteries. For added flexibility, you can interchange it with any other 80V equipment from Worx. Mow uphill without breaking a sweat. Number 3. Greenworks 80V21. This 21-inch cordless lawn mower features a durable steel deck that gets the job done quicker and more efficiently. Highly efficient brushless motor provides more torque, quiet operation, and longer life. Single lever height adjustment includes 80V 4.0Ah battery and rapid charger, charges in 60 minutes. Number 4. American Lawn Mower. American Lawn Mower is committed to innovating planet-conscious products for your outdoor needs. Since 1895, we have been creating lawnmowers, gardening cultivators, tillers, and other essential outdoor tools. For a greener environment, we aim to lessen the carbon footprint of day-to-day gardening activities. Opting for products that do not emit harmful fumes can help our environment in the long run. Our products have a low-maintenance design that will save customers money on upkeep. Our 125 years of experience in designing and innovating greener product options can promise the quality and reliability of our products. Number 5. Ego Power Plus Electric Lawn Mower. With the Ego Power Plus 21-foot self-propelled mower, receive all the torque of gas without the noise, fuss, and fumes. Offering the torque of gas without the noise, mess, and fumes. The Ego Power Plus 21-inch self-propelled mower delivers long-lasting power, rapid charging, and durability in all weather conditions. With up to 60 minutes of cut time from the 56V 7.5Ah arc lithium, this mower tackles even the toughest of mowing applications for all grass types. The adjustable self-propel feature makes mowing effortless. And the easily adjustable deck height enables you to cut at any length. Thanks to a sleek and lightweight construction, moving and storing the lawnmower is hassle-free as it folds compact. The advanced Ego Power Plus 56-volt 7.5Ah battery, shipped separately, uses industry-leading arc lithium technology to deliver superior power and is compatible with all Ego Power Plus products. So there you have it. A perfect lawn without the noise, the fumes, or the hassle. All product links for your buy are in the video description. I've included the best deals available. If this guide helped you power your lawn into the future, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with a neighbor, and subscribe to the channel. Next week, we're testing a robotic mower that learned a terrifying lesson on its own. You won't want to miss it. Happy mowing!